are going to love the 2019 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, navigation system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.